In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try QuickBooks Online for free. This is perfect if you're considering QuickBooks for your business, but you're not ready to commit to a paid subscription just yet. We'll walk through how to get a full-featured 30-day trial so you can properly test it with your own information and workflows. First, open your web browser and go to the official QuickBooks Online pricing page. You can find this easily by searching for QuickBooks Online Pricing in your preferred search engine and clicking the result from the official QuickBooks website. Make sure you're on the genuine site so that your information is safe and you're seeing the most up-to-date offers. Once you're on the pricing page, you'll see several different plans laid out. Common options include plans like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. Take a moment to read the short descriptions under each plan. Think about how many users you need, whether you want features like bill management, inventory tracking, or more advanced reporting. Even though you're just starting a trial, choosing the right plan now will give you a more accurate sense of how QuickBooks will fit your business in the long term. After you've decided which plan you want to test, look for the option that mentions a free 30-day trial. Instead of jumping straight into a paid subscription or any discounted first-month offer, click on the button that clearly says something like Free 30-Day Trial. This is what unlocks full access to the plan's features without charging you right away. When you click that option, QuickBooks will guide you through a simple sign-up process. You'll be asked to create an account using an email address and a secure password. Choose an email you check regularly because QuickBooks may send you important updates or setup tips during your trial. For your password, make sure it's strong and unique, and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts for security reasons. Follow the on-screen prompts step by step. You may be asked for basic details about your business, such as your company name, industry, or how long you've been operating. Providing accurate information here helps QuickBooks tailor the experience and suggest features that are most relevant to you. Once you've completed these steps, your 30-day free trial will be active and you'll be ready to explore QuickBooks Online with full access to the plan you selected.